We have question number 4 in exercise 4.3. The taxi fare in the city is as follows. For the first kilometer, the fare is 8. And for the subsequent distance, it is 5 per kilometer. And total distance, we can keep it as x kilometer and the fare is y. Okay, so let's see what is given. Okay, so let's say the total distance is x kilometer and the total fare is y. So let's say, so the first kilometer is 8 rupees, right? And subsequent distance. So let's see what is the subsequent distance. So 1 kilometer will be gone as rupees 8. First kilometer is taken off. So subsequent distance is, we have to subtract that 1 kilometer from the total distance. That will give the subsequent distance. So the fare for the total fare is equal to the fare for subsequent distance plus the first kilometer, whatever the cost for first kilometer. So therefore, this is total fare is y. The cost for subsequent distance is 5 into x minus 1, and for the first kilometer it is 8 rupees. Okay, so expanding the equation, we have 5x minus 5 plus 8. So that will become y is equal to 5x plus 3. Okay, so we have arrived at the equation. This is the linear equation representing our situation. Okay, our scenario. Now we have to draw a graph for that. So for the graph, we naturally need the x and y coordinates. Let's say we start with obviously we don't want any negative or zero values, so of no use. Let's say we start with x is equal to 1 kilometer. So when x is equal to 1, y becomes, that's the cost becomes 5 into 1 plus 3. So that works well. So it is 8. We know that for the first kilometer it is rupees 8. So the coordinates are 1, 8. So next we can calculate when you are going to travel 2 kilometers. So y becomes 5 into 2 plus 3. That is 10 plus 3, 13. So now for 2 kilometers it is 13 rupees. Right? 8 plus 5. Yes, it works out. Yeah, that's good. So now x is equal to 3 kilometers. Y becomes 5 into 3 plus 3. That is 15 plus 3. That is 18. Okay. So that becomes 3 plus 3, 18. So for 5 into 3, for the first kilometer 8, and next subsequent is 10, right? So it will become 3, 18. So we have to plot these points. Okay, so let's put it in our table. So it's for the first it is 8, and for the second kilometer it is 13, and for the third kilometer it is 18. Okay, so and again we have to expand this one. So on the x-axis, it is we have to go till 18, right? So so let's expand that. Okay. So I have expanded that. Okay. So let me mark the rest of the distance that you have to follow. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It goes beyond that. So what we can do is we have to move it a little bit down. Eleven, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and we have 18. Okay, so let's mark this, plot these points. So 1 comma 8. So for 1 we have 8. For 1 kilometer is 8. For 2 kilometers it is 13. Okay, and for 3 kilometers it's 18. Let's go and insert the line. Okay, and we have the third point. For 3 it is 18. So we have 3 points. We have the curve, and this is the point 2 comma 13, and this is the point 3 comma 18, and this is the point 1 comma 8, and this is going to be the equation. This is going to be the our equation. Y is equal to y is equal to 5x plus 3.